looking a mess story of my life. I don't come on here only when I look good, or I would rarely be on here. So we're about to start dinner. I'm pretty excited about it because it is a air fry recipe, which that in itself is exciting. But I had a company called Aki that reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their air fryer. So they sent me one. It is so pretty. I'm so excited about it. So we have used it a couple of times already. We used it a couple of times already. I just wanted to kind of get a feel for it, try it out without looking like I'm clueless on camera, which I usually am clueless. But with that being said, it was really easy to use. I could have just went ahead and done it. Now, they sent me the product for free to review it and to share with you all. So that is what we're gonna do. They also sent me another product that I'm super excited about. I don't know if I'm more excited about the air fryer or the other one. And I was gonna try to use both of them in the same video, but I can't because I just can't. So you will see that in another video. But yeah, we're going to just jump in here and try out this air fryer. Now, like I said, they sent this to me for free, but I will not tell you about something that I won't use. Yeah, I won't. So I'm going to show you about it. So far, I am really liking it. There will be information about it down below if you're interested in getting it, but I do really like it. The last couple of weeks, I have had a handful reaching out to me and asking me if I want to try their products or review their products. And if it's something that I'm really interested in, I will do it. Lately, it's been a lot of like, not a lot, but more so like along the lines of kitchen gadgets and stuff like that. I guess because we have become more of a kitchen food based channel, which I am completely fine with. I enjoy spending time in the kitchen. Back in the old days, did I just say that? Back in the day, anyways, when I had a Facebook page, me and my sister-in-law ran a very kind of small food page. So food is right up my alley. I like to eat, I like to cook, all of it. I like to do all of it minus the cleaning up part. But yeah, so when companies reach out to me, what I'm trying to say is when they reach out to me and it's something that I will use, I always figure why not. I don't make much here on the channel, not yet, maybe eventually, but right now we don't make much. So just little things like this are an added bonus. I will not sell out though to things if I don't like it. I'm not gonna get on here and tell you that it's trash. So with all that being said, I'm going to show you this air fryer and we're going to jump into this recipe because, well, it's hot. It is almost 7 o'clock at night. Is it night if it's 7? It's almost 7 o'clock. The boys are gone riding, so I'm going to get dinner cooked. And then if it's not too late, me and Wendy, maybe Lily, I don't know, we're going to go get in the pool for a while. So we're just going to jump in here and show you this air fryer and share the recipe. Alright, so this is the air fryer. I already have one. If you know anything about me, I already have one, but it's the Ninja one. And I really do like it. I'm not going to say that I don't. I really do like it. But I figured we'd give this one a try. It's really pretty. It's not going to pick it up. It's just black with like rose gold on it. This is the button you push to open it. And it just pops up like that. This is the heating element, and then this is the little, this part comes out, as does this part. My favorite thing about it though, I think, is, let me turn down this ring light. Hush test. As you can see, okay, there we go. As you can see, this, it's all touch screen. You just change it. It has a crisper, an air fryer, a broiler, a grill, air roast, bake, dehydrate, and reheat. It has all of those options, different temperatures, the time obviously that you set on it. My favorite part though is this. It lights up and you can look in there and see your food. So I really do like that. I mean, obviously you can just pull it out or whatever, but if you want to check it without messing with the heat, you can just turn it on and look in there. So that is my favorite part about all of it. So it is really nice. I do really like it. Well, this will be the third time that we have used it. and no complaints. My favorite thing about it, other than the light though, do you hear it? It is so quiet compared to my other one. So quiet. I could not, with the other one, I could not vlog if I was using the air fryer because it was way too loud. This one, pushed a button, but this one will not be a problem. It is so much better. So much better. If the sound is so much better. So like I said, no complaints, but we're gonna see how it would do with this chicken recipe. So let's go ahead and jump in here and get to it. Hi, how you doing? I don't think I mentioned what we're gonna make. We are going to make air fryer Hasselback chicken. So that's what we're gonna do. I have just a half of a jalapeno because I'm just really not in the mood for spicy stuff. So we're just gonna go very mild on the jalapenos, and I don't know, I'm just, like I said, I'm not really in the mood for spicy stuff. I might not even eat this anyway. I just have to wait and see. So just cutting this up on a plate. It's like sort of a no-no, but it is what it is. We're gonna make it work for now. I just didn't feel like getting out two of the cutting boards. I have been cleaning like a crazy person today. I kind of just let the house go for a while, and that's because we have been we've just been busy. So I decided that today I was going to fix that. So I did. I cleaned the house, and so I'm hot and I'm tired and I'm just ready to relax. So we're gonna make this chicken though, and then hopefully, most likely, we're gonna go and get in the pool for a while. So it is I think a 94 degrees today, and then with heat index it's hot. So I'm just cleaning up the chicken here, and then I will show you what we're doing because the camera's angled wrong and you can't see and I can't touch it. So let me wash my hands. Alright, so just in a small bowl, you're going to take 2 ounces of cream cheese. And 4 slices of bacon, which I should have crumbled, but I'm just going to use my hands here and cut it into little pieces. I'm just going to go ahead and put in 4, and then Wendy's supposed to make an omelet for dinner because she won't eat this. So I think the only ones that eat this is me, John, and Jonathan, to be honest. Well, Nolan will eat it too. So me and the boys. Alright, so we're going to take a little bit of salt. Don't need much though because of that bacon. A little bit of pepper. And just mix this all together. Alright, now we're going to go in with our jalapeno. And 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese. I'm just eyeballing it. And then what you're going to do is take your chicken and cut slits in it, not all the way down, not all the way through, but cut slits in to the chicken. That one was all the way through, but it's not that big of a deal. And then into the slits that you created, you're going to put the mixture. done. Now it also has little feet, like little suction cup feet on the bottom. It ain't going nowhere without some effort. So we're gonna pop the chicken in here now. Alright, and then I'm gonna set it at air fry at 350, wrong way, at 350 for 15 minutes. So it has 1 minute left on it. We are supposed to take, let's see, we're supposed to take the other 1/4 cup of cheddar and put it on top. So you know me, we're just gonna eyeball it. And then you, 1 more minute. Alright guys, and with that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. Thank you, Aki, for sponsoring this video. This is a really good air fryer. We really like it. I really like it. Nobody else has used it yet in the family. So thank you for sponsoring us in this video. And I will have all the information for the Aki air fryer down below if you're interested in that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, remember to show grace, be content, and live blessed. Until next time, bye guys.